Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will learn how to install Microsoft Teams on Ubuntu. For that go to Ubuntu software, type Microsoft Teams and press enter. Here it is, click on it. Click install. Enter the admin password. Click authenticate. Now it will install. We have installed it. You can verify, close it. Go to activities. Type Microsoft Teams and it will be visible here. Click on it and it will open. Here it is, Microsoft Teams. You can sign into your Microsoft account and start it. Thank you for watching the video.